Everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create an email account, and it's going to take only 2 minutes for this video. So please watch until the end. So what you do is you go and create accounts. It's going to ask you to like log in. However, we're not going to log in, so we're going to create an account. It's going to be for my personal use since everybody is using it for personal use. But if you're using for work or for your child, click on those. The steps are the same. So you put your first name. So I'm just gonna make a name. I'm gonna put my first name as Mike and last name as or never mind, P-O-U-T, Mike Potes, and I have to choose a username. So and then we're gonna put the gmail.com, and we have to click on a password. Like we have to choose one. So I'm just gonna make it up. Um, so let's 1 minute. Let's do So let me try this password. After you make the password, you're going to click on next and it's going to ask you for a recovery phone number. Please put your phone number since everything that you're going to be doing needs a Gmail, like your bank, like your gaming accounts, your PC, your everything. So put your phone numbers in case you lose it. After you do that, you have to put a recovery email. So make sure to do that recovery email as well. And you have to put your date of birth. And let's make that up, 2001. And it's going to ask you for your gender. I'm going to press male. And after you do that, you have to agree on the terms. And after you're agreed, then you are done with setting it up. Also, please make sure to activate two-factor authentication. It's very important, guys. In case you lose the account, you're going to use a two-factor authentication. And when you use 2FFA, it's going to help you to not get hacked because it's really easy to hack accounts. But with 2FFA, it's nearly impossible. So you not using 2FA, you have a chance of getting like 1% of getting hacked. However, if you use 2FFA, you have like 0.00001, like it's billion, like one in a billion. Yeah, this was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.